When working with leather, use the best quality materials you can find. Quality materials will give your finished project a professional look, even if there are some imperfections and mistakes. In this video, I will be telling you how to choose the right leather for your project. Using the wrong leather can be very frustrating. I will start with the chrome tanned leather. Chrome tanned is tanned with mineral agents, chrome salt. They are soft, they come in varieties of colors. Chrome tanned is the process. Tanning a chrome tanned leather, it takes a day or two to process. It is cheaper to produce. It is not environmental friendly. When chrome tan is good for a light project, especially if you want your project flexible. After a long period of usage, you start seeing cracks in your bags or in your leather project. Then over to veg tanned leather. Veg tanned leather are tanned from tannins from plants and trees. It's a natural process. It takes 40 to 90 days to produce. It is highly durable. It is thick and heavy. If well taken care of, it will last a long time. It is expensive. It is environmental friendly. Veg tanned leather takes toolings and stamps better than a chrome tanned leather. The other part of leather, we have the bonded leather, also known as the reconstituted leather, blended leather, ground leather. This leather is it's from particles of leather, like when you split, the process of splitting the leather into segments, the particles that fall off, like your sawdust from your carpenter's workshop. These are the particles that are packed together, glued together, surfaced and fined to produce some products in the market. Most products that you see that are written genuine leather are bonded leather. So to bonded leather, after a period of time, you just see your leather surface scraping off and you see it coming out like dust. And you see and they are padded on top of like a polythene surface. They are glued on the polythene surface. Those are the bonded leather. There are 3 types of leather finishing. We have the aniline and semi-aniline and the finished type of finish leather. The aniline process of finished leather. For example, look at your hand. You can see your pores. If you have any scar, you can see your scar on your hand. Then when you look at the leather, you see the pores of the animal, you see scars, you see wrinkles. Those are the aniline finished process of the leather. Nothing is hidden. You can see the natural surface, you can see the natural characteristics of the animal on the surface of the leather. Then we have the semi-aniline leather. This process, you can still see the pores of the animal, but they already added pigment layer on the surface of the leather. So the pores are not as clear as the natural aniline process. But you can see, when you fold, you can still see the pores of the animal. That's the semi-aniline process of finishing the leather process. Then we have the finished process. The finished process have heavy coating, no pores, you don't see any pores, no scar, nothing. Heavy coated pigments added to the surface of the leather. And it has plastic film. So guys, if you have come this far watching this video, please subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. So on to the next one, which is how to differentiate cheap leather from expensive leather. So for you to differentiate cheap leather from expensive leather, is the surface of the leather doesn't look natural. You don't see pores, you don't see scars, nothing, just smooth. Those are cheap leather. Then if you turn over to the back of the leather and you see fibers, you see hair like coming out from this back of the leather, those are cheap leather, processed leather. Also, another one is it feels foamy when you touch it. It feels soft, kind of like not soft with the chrome tan, but it has this foamy, you know when you touch foam now, how it sinks, and that's the feel you get from a cheap leather. Then if you look over to the edge of the leather, you see a blue color at the tip of the leather. Those are chrome salts when processing the leather. Those are the cheap types of leather you can find. Then over to the expensive, the high quality leather. They are heavy, they are solid, they have this solid feel on the surface. You can see the natural pores, like you can see the natural characteristics. You see scars, you see wrinkles, you get, like I said, pores. Make sure you check for pores, it's very, very important that you have to see. Those are the expensive, the high quality leather. Then when you turn over to the back of the leather, you see the flesh side down. No hair coming out like the cheap leather that has fiber of plenty hair. Everything is slipping down. Those are the high quality leather. Also, when you look at the edge of the leather, you see the grain part. You see it at the top of the leather. That is how you know the high quality leather from the cheap quality leather. To know more on types and grades of leather, there's a good video done by my friend, the rookie fashion icon. I'm going to leave the link to the video on the description below for you to check it out and learn more. So each leather type has its distinct qualities and advantages. Choose the right leather for your project. So if you've enjoyed this video so far, please subscribe to this channel and like this video for more updates. Thank you for watching. Bye.